Afternoon. Much hair mango.
I have 2, 3, 4, and 5.
What kind of mango this?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, table mango darling.
Murphy?
Hmm?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Alright, more one of this then. Wait, let me take out the money. See if we can find the money first.
You don't want any of this thing there.
If I want to?
You don't want any of this thing there?
No. Take one of the regular beanie mango. Yeah. Alright, so it's now 3:23 p.m. I'm just coming off the road. I went to my shipping company to see if I could get my business packages. They're still not there. I went yesterday, I went today. So they took my number and they'll be messaging me on WhatsApp whenever it is in office. Alright, skip that. Me the feel for a mango. And I bought this beautiful mango for $200. So I'm basically eating fear, but whatever. My hair needs to be washed, so that's what I'm going to do now. And I have a number of orders for my rosemary coconut oil, rosemary castor oil. So that's what I want to work on for the rest of the evening. I already start work when I have some more work to do, and then maybe that's where I'll end today. Dine again, but we're in the kitchen and the light no good. But anyways, we are cook. Guys, it is now 9:52. I'm a little bit behind, but we're still kind of on time, right? So like I can get there by 10:15. The sun is not out now, but it was out before, so of course you know your girl is going to have on her medicated glasses that I don't wear. Let's go. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing to my hair, but I just want something to last about 2 weeks. I haven't braided my hair all year, so maybe for Easter, not Easter, the holiday, upcoming holiday, I braid it, but I feel like I'm going to do a natural hairstyle now. And here comes the sun. Like that one I put, you know, the hash browns and stuff. You know, sure, it is. think you need a little bit more. Right, and then I have not had these in ages, so I'm going to try this one with zinc and vitamin C. I don't want you to forget. Yeah, zinc and vitamin C. So here it goes. One piece. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's mix it up. If I added too much water, but I'm gonna go ahead and have it. I love when some eye not easy. Let me clean up my things still in my eye. I don't like pills, so if I have an alternative like this, hats off to reduction. Um, um, I'm just wondering, should I be drinking milk? No, and I just had the vitamin C. Hold on. I'm gonna take now something in the red part of it. You have to put it up because I don't think it's a good idea. We'll just eat anyways, but you know, if you do something. But every look, I'm going to be doing a mini market haul now. After I put up this, I'm bending enough to eat it. Hope you not hear me. I'm kind of catch the phone with my hand. So let's be doing a mini market haul. I am supposed to make some. I don't want to call it protein shake, milkshake, blend up with some milk, and I haven't had Irish moss. Wait a minute, I haven't had Irish moss in years, so that should be in it. You know, the regular mix up with the peanut and everything. But I don't know how that's gonna work out. You know, do some research and then maybe you'll see it in this vlog or maybe the other vlog. I don't want this one to pass 17-18 minutes at most, and I feel like it's cracking somewhere near there now, even though I have some editing to do. I also have a vlog, a 40 minutes business vlog, so if you have not checked that out as yet, please go ahead and do so, and that is going to be a business series within itself. And yeah, may I come back with me sit down videos, so subscribe up, like up the video and comment. So this is the ball. We have Woolly Basilian and Tiny Rice. We have to move the ball because it's not all about, you know? We have a ball of it. We have some scallion and thyme if you want. We have some more. We have some callaloo sweet. We have some garlic. Really kind of, you know, tomato. We have my favorite sweet potato. And we have some scotch bonnet. Some more scotch bonnet. Not even sweet, but some scotch bonnets. carrots. I take down then I try all the bag and that at the same time. Some carrots. Some onions. Alright, so this bag has some mix up. So we have some cucumbers, we have some Irish potato and some tomato. And then we have some okra. And this is a red purple. This is an onion here, red purple onion. And then people always fight over the color of the onion, but that's it. The bananas, so we have 2 hands of banana. Here we feel like may I close out the vlog. So it's a simple corn roll. Me actually drop off in a but it's a simple, you know, very simple. Yeah. I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna eat my cornflakes. And then I have like 2 hours worth of things to do, and then I'm going to edit this vlog. And yeah, I think I'm going to edit this vlog. And I think that's gonna be it. Yeah, so if you don't see me back, thank you so much for watching. Drop something, I don't know, cornflakes, something, milk or something in the comment section. And to the persons who actually put something in the comment section, thank you. But if you like me, I eat my cornflakes. I'm like, what time now? Well, after 1, we can't eat cornflakes. This is the milk that I'm using. Tell me how my sister made more for them for release today. Because I want to see have the milk. But that's a story for another time. So the someone somebody that I make is gonna be in it's gonna be in another vlog. The vlog after this? No, I don't think so. I'm not sure. But yeah.